welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and let's go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to determine the percentage of uppercase and lowercase letters in a string. Let's go ahead and start by creating str and go ahead and input, ask the user to insert some strings of uppercase and lowercase. So insert some strings of uppercase and lowercase, and then once that is inserted, go ahead and say len underscore str is equal to length of string. All right, and pass in the value of str right in there, and let's go ahead and see upper is equal to lower is equal to 0. Okay, now let's go ahead and use a for loop. So for I in LSTR, so for I in LSTR, we go ahead and say if, for the lowercase, if a is less than or equal to I and less than or equal to z in lowercase, so that is for the lowercase, then we go ahead and say lower plus equal 1. All right, else if the upper a is less equal I and less equal z, then we go ahead and print upper plus equal 1. Okay, then we go ahead and print out the results. So go ahead and say print say percentage of uppercase, percentage of uppercase, that'll be in 2 decimal places, so dot 2f. all right, so dot 2f percentage, okay, modulus, so percentage modulus, and go ahead and put upper dot length underscore string. Okay, length underscore string multiply by 100. all right, so go ahead and copy that. We want to do that for the lowercase as well, so copy that and go ahead and paste that and change these to percentage of lowercase, so percentage of lowercase, and change this to any place you see upper, go ahead and change that to lower. all right, and that is all. The next thing we need to now do is to go ahead and run this code and check it out. So if everything being equal, that's going to work out fine. So insert some strings of uppercase and lowercase. Let's go ahead and say hello world today and hit enter. So percentage of uppercase is 41% and percentage of lowercase is 47.0. okay, let's go ahead and run this and make sure that we have, just let's say hello world, and here we have just only 2 uppercase, that is H and W, and hit enter, and you can see that works out fine because it's just 18.8118%, while the rest is the lowercase, and you can see that works out fine and very straightforward. So go ahead and put this down on your system, play around with it, and the entire code is just ready before you. If you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.